As Nvidia continues to extend its powerful AI and simulation platforms into the robotics industry, a number of smaller, publicly traded companies are leveraging this technology to innovate and compete. These small-cap firms, alongside several privately held startups, are working with Nvidia's ecosystem to develop the next generation of autonomous machines. Generally, small-cap companies are those with a market capitalization between approximately $250 million and $2 billion. Several robotics companies that fit this classification have demonstrable ties to Nvidia, primarily through the adoption of the Nvidia AI platform for simulation, training, and deployment of their robots. Publicly traded small-cap robotics companies working with Nvidia, Richtech Robotics, NASDAQ, RR. With a market capitalization in the hundreds of millions, Richtech Robotics is a notable small-cap player in the service robotics sector. The company's solutions, aimed at industries like hospitality and healthcare, are part of the broader ecosystem of robotics companies that can benefit from Nvidia's powerful processing hardware for edge AI and robotics. SERV Robotics, NASDAQ, SERV. Specializing in autonomous sidewalk delivery robots, SERV Robotics has a market capitalization that places it firmly in the small-cap category. The development of autonomous navigation in complex urban environments relies heavily on the kind of AI and simulation technologies that Nvidia provides, making their platforms a natural fit for companies like SERV. Guardforce AI, NASDAQ, FI. This micro-cap company is focused on developing robotics solutions for security and logistics. Guardforce AI's adoption and integration of AI for tasks such as cash management and robotic process automation align with the capabilities offered by Nvidia's AI software and hardware stacks. The broader ecosystem, private companies and key collaborations. Beyond the publicly traded small-cap space, a significant portion of the innovative robotics companies working with Nvidia are currently privately held. These startups and growth stage companies are often part of Nvidia's Inception program, which provides startups with access to technology and expertise. Their valuations are determined by funding rounds rather than public market trading. Notable private robotics companies frequently highlighted as working with or using Nvidia's platforms include Agility Robotics, a prominent developer of humanoid robots. Agility Robotics utilizes Nvidia's simulation and AI platforms to train its robots for various tasks. Sanctuary AI, this company, focused on creating human-like intelligence in general-purpose robots, leverages Nvidia's Isaac Lab to accelerate the learning process for its creations. Fourier Intelligence, working on rehabilitation and humanoid robotics, Fourier Intelligence is another key player that collaborates with Nvidia's ecosystem to advance its technology. Vention, which offers a manufacturing automation platform, has been noted for its collaboration with Nvidia to accelerate AI-powered automation solutions. In-Orbit AI, a provider of a cloud-based robot management platform, In-Orbit AI has showcased how it harnesses Nvidia's platforms to optimize real-world robotic workflows. While companies like Unitree Robotics and Flexive Robotics are also significant players in the robotics industry and work with Nvidia, their recent valuations have pushed them beyond the typical small-cap range, highlighting the rapid growth and investment in this sector. In conclusion, while the number of publicly traded, small-cap robotics companies with explicit partnerships with Nvidia is still emerging, the broader trend shows a deep integration of Nvidia's AI and simulation technologies across the robotics landscape, particularly among innovative private companies poised for future growth.